13th question. Tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star. Tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು. Who does your refer to? Tracking through your telescope refer to the people on the earth. Okay, your refers to the people on the earth. Your ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? People on the earth. Which instrument does the poet tell us to use to track his journey towards space? ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Telescope. The poet tells us to use telescope to track his journey. Okay, so the poet tells us to use telescope to track his journey. Okay, so which instrument he tells us to use? The telescope. What does the phrase my upward shooting star means? My upward shooting star means it refers to the spacecraft which is moving towards the space in upward direction in which the poet is traveling. So my upward shooting star ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್, ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಯಾನ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ my upward shooting star means.